No way you're going in! Imposter!
Does she need saving? I strongly think so.
Whoa, my head. Huh? It's you!
Yep, but don't get too excited. We have lots to do. Your turn, Z. So here's the plan. We're gonna make you our Rumi. We will start with your face, teeth, pimples, cheeks.
Oh.
Phew, that's a lot of work, really. And then…
Aha!
Ta-da! So, let's begin! I trust your plan, girl.
Should I be afraid?
It worked! Whoa! Okay, girl! Moving on. So, what's next? Well, teeth checked. Next, pimples.
Ugh, the worst! I'm ready.
I'm not… I know just what you need. How is this going to help?
Wow, this is magic!
Let's get rid of that. Much better.
Wow.
Ha! I have an idea! Glitter is always a good choice.
How'd I look?
Not as I expected. Oopsie.
Hey! I didn't sign up for this!
But… oh no. It's no biggie.
Wait!
Don't worry.
Phew.
Never again! Okay, I got the right one here. Here comes the makeup dust!
This is the most glamorous version of me, like, ever!
We did it! A golden transformation! But we're not even close to being done yet.
Whoa!
To the salon! Let me take a closer look at your hair. So dry. And definitely the wrong color. How about…
No!
this looks wrong. Maybe.
So 80s.
Nope.
Cruella would be jealous.
Nuh-uh.
Wow!
Purple is your color. I call this shade the Soda Pop Purple. Mwah! Hair, check. We're getting there. Yay!
Huh?
The tail must go.
But how?
We did what we had to. Now you walk.
Whoa, this feels weird. Hey, don't look!
Don't worry. Now it's time for a fit check for your napalm era.
Wow.
Let's get you into some chic clothes.
I look like Sherlock Holmes. Yikes.
No, this is not her color. No pee. Maybe this?
Wow.
Perfect. I kept the best for last.
I feel like I can take over the entire monster world in this fit.
Yeah, girl. That's the spirit. And with that, we've completed everything. Let's do this. Not so fast. You still need to learn the choreography.
Slower, please. I can't keep up. Ouch. Wait, to the left or right?
Just copy our moves. It's easy. Stop! You're ruining the whole routine. Wait, maybe we should try a new teaching approach. Come on.
Well, this looks fun, to be honest. I will try my best.
You got this.
Left foot back, right foot back. Now I add the hands.
Go, go, go!
I think I'm finally getting it! Yay! I win!
Bravo!
Haha! The party awaits! Ahem.
Am I supposed to know who you are? I gotta check. No wannabe huntrix allowed.
Huh? What do you mean? But why?
Sing your heart out. We've got your back. Always.
Let's do this.
Shut up and play.
Huh? Okay. Whoa, I like the sound of that.
You came at a bad time. But you just crossed the line. You want to get wild? Okay, I'll show you wild. Knocking you out like a lullaby. Hear that sound ringing in your mind?
Yeah! Yeah!
Better sit down for the show. 'Cause I'm gonna show you how it's done, done, done.
Huntrix, don't miss.
How it's done, done, done.
And the big applause.
Phew, we were incredible.
Yeah!
Okay, you can go in.
Yes, finally.
Let's party!
Wow, I'm so ready to have some fun after all that.
All this work is already making me hungry. Huh? Hey, what's going on? That's mine now. Hey, but that's not fair! A pearl? Now that's what I call a win. Watch this. Ta-da! And that's how mermaids make bubbles. Try and top this sparkle, vampire girl. But it's missing this. Now it really feels like home. Underwater aesthetic on point. Lame. It's like a craft store exploded. Enjoy it. Mine's about to steal the spotlight in a moment. This house is about to get haunted. No sunlight is getting through these walls. Ha! Good boy. My walls won't sparkle, they'll intimidate. And these bats, they'll keep unwanted guests away. As for the grand finale, behold, the wings of doom! I admit that looks cool. Aha! Two can play this decorating game. Seashells make everything better. Just wait till the sun hits these. Instant sparkle! A true mermaid palace. Huh? Ugh, copycat! I'm stepping up my game. You're not the only one with upgrades. I can do that too. Whatever. Insulation time! My house is about to get a cozy upgrade. This'll keep the chill out even underwater. Oh, hey! Thanks! Huh? I caught something big! You wish! Oh, man! Why am I always this unlucky? Oops. Guess I hurt his feelings. Hey, catch this! What? Yeah! Okay, back to work. Time to paint. This is gonna look so cute when I'm done. A sprinkle of glitter never hurt anyone. These walls are turning into a real underwater cave. This is officially my favorite part. But I'm not done yet. These walls need way more magic. A little bubble here, and another there. They make everything look so dreamy. Good job, me. She paints bubbles. I paint nightmares. But wait, you ain't seen nothing yet. Time to add some dark elegance. This is the perfect mix of creepy and cute, if you ask me. My walls will give everyone the chills. Just how I like it. Creepy? Check. Crawly? Double check. Walls? Done. Now onto the floors. My floor can't stay boring either. No way! A living floor? Yes, please! Seeds need water, just like I do. This'll be so much cuter than plain and boring tiles. Yes! My seaweed is coming to life! Regular flooring? Not in my house. Making a little mermaid pathway. And done! What is my nemesis up to now? Huh? She's spying on me. That just makes me even more competitive. And fuels me to come up with awesome ideas like this one.
Every haunted house needs a balcony, obviously. As a bat queen, I will survey my kingdom from up here.
I've got some balcony ideas of my own. Let's shape this dough first. I'm really good at this. And that's not up for discussion. A balcony that looks like it grew from the ocean. And there! My seashell balcony is officially part of the house! Oh, I'm so proud of myself! To make this place feel more like home, cute furniture is a must. I'll set up the perfect little corner with my treasure chest included. Who knew setting a table could be this fun? My bathroom? It'll feel like an underwater spa.
This table will be perfect for suspiciously elegant dinners. If it's not creepy, it doesn't belong in my house. A quiet corner for all my ancient books.
Your darkness can't cross here.
As if I want to step in there. Ha! Swim here if you dare.
Oh yeah, let's see you breathe underwater then. How about that? You're banned from my beach.
Darling, I don't do sun anyway.
Well, I guess we're done.
That's right. My lair is complete too. A true palace of shadows.
Perfectly sea-tastic.
Dark, dramatic, and delightful.
Yay! Hey, ready?
Let's go.
See ya, neighbor!
So eerie. This place suits me.
A self-care day in my new place.
I deserve a protein.
Served. Ocean flavors only. Let's dig in.
Hallway of curiosities. I'm amazed by my work.
My pet fish is enjoying his new spot. Hey, buddy!
Who says vampires can't groove? Aw, what a romantic ending.
Feels like I'm floating in a warm ocean cloud.
Some fresh air and a great view.